Hello, my little mathematicians. Today we're going to learn about mean absolute deviation, aka MAD. Okay, so mean, the average. Absolute stands for absolute value. Deviation is like the distance that each data value is from the mean value. Okay, so MAD is kind of a way to describe the spread of your data, and they say variability. In fact, I think that's right here. It's one of the ways to measure the variability, like how far spread out is your data? Are they all fairly close together? And so you find the mean, and then you find the absolute value of the distance each data value is to the mean. Okay, so again, the MAD is the mean of the distances between the data values and the mean of the entire data set. All right, so first off, what do you do first? First, you find the mean of the data set. Remember, to find the mean, you add all the data values and then divide that total that you get, so that total, by the number of data values. If you ever need to, if I go too fast, remember you can always pause the video. Okay, so first off, we're going to add all the data values. Okay, so let's put a little plus sign between each of these so we remember that we added them all. Okay, so type all that in your calculator. And when you add all that up, what do you get? You get 830. Okay, but you're not done, because you're going to then divide it by the total number of data values that you have. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers in this data set. So you take that total of all the values and divide it by how many numbers or data values there were, and that's your mean. So 830 divided by 10 is 83, which means the mean of this data set is 83. Okay. After you find the mean, you want to find the distance each number is away from the mean that you calculated in step 1. Okay, so the distance from the mean, which we said was 83 up above, right? So what's the difference between 83 and 95? So subtract those, you get 12. What's the difference between 83 and 90? 7. The difference between 70 and 83 is 13. Okay, I hope you're seeing a pattern. If you want, you can pause it and try those. Okay, if you unpaused it and now you're back with us, 100 minus 83 is 17. 65 minus 83 is negative 18, but remember we're taking the absolute value of it, so just 18. 85 minus 83 is 2. 80 minus 83 is 3, or negative 3, but absolute value. Okay, 95 minus 83 is 12. 100 minus 83 is 17 again. And 50 minus 83 is 33. Okay, so we found the mean, and then we found the distance that each individual value in the data set was from the mean. What we do with that information is we find the mean of all the distances that you calculated in step 2. Okay, so all those distances were 12, 7, 13, 17, 18, 2, 3, 12, 17, and 33. Okay, there should be 10 numbers because there was 10 numbers in the data set, so there should be 10 distances. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know that seems lame to double check and count them, but you would hate if you did all this work and you forgot one. Okay, so divide by how many there are. There's 10. Okay, add all those numbers in your calculator. Pause the video, add them. Okay, now you unpaused it. You're back with us. When you added those, you should get 134 over 10. Every time that you use a calculator, I strongly recommend that you type it in, write it down, hit clear, type it in one more time to make sure you get the same number, just in case you had a clumsy thumbsy moment. Okay, 134 divided by 10, you got 13.4. So that is your MAD value. The variability you want to be really small, like as close to 0 as possible, because that means that they're all not really spread out that much. So this is a rather high variability. They're not that close together. You have a MAD value or variability level of 13.4 for this particular data set. And that's how you find the MAD value.